how to transfer file, video or image to Zflip or to your Windows. For that you need to connect your USB cable to your phone device. Let's connect it. So once you connect your USB, then you can see pop up on your Windows. Now you have to go back to your now simply open up your my computer, this PC, and here you can see your Zflip. Then you can see your folder is empty. Then you have to go back to your mobile and open your control menu. Then you can see this option. You have to select transfer image or USB or transfer file Android Auto, this option. So once you select this option, you can see again pop up. Now if you press on this option, then you can access all of your images. To image and video, you have to go your DCIM and go to camera, and then all of your image is available. For example, this one, press on copy and simply where you want to paste, and then your image will be there. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.